Good morning, friends. Happy Monday, and welcome back to another TeddyTV episode.
We have a packed show today where we will be covering events varying from sports, sharing our beliefs, and even highlighting a teacher on campus.
Let's get started. Last week, our students had an opportunity to express their beliefs in a rally of peace where they took place right outside the school.
We had our crew at the scene. Let's take a look at what they picked up on.
A peaceful crowd gathered in front of Roosevelt High School today as students held their rally protesting ICE policies and calling for unity on campus. Kids waved colorful flags along the sidewalk, creating a colorful scene, while staff members arranged tables filled with goods, resources, and pamphlets for students to take. Teachers and staff members said this event aimed to empower young people and spark conversations about justice, safety, and the role students can play in shaping their community.
It was amazing. Our students are making their voices heard, and not just for themselves, but for friends, family, and the community.
Our athletic department is continuing to make us proud by representing the Rough Rider spirit this second semester.
13 years in the making, Coach Delgadillo has been building towards this moment. And now, it's official. The Roosevelt Rough Riders boys soccer team are CIF D4 champions. Delgadillo's squad captured the D4 title with a thrilling win 3-2 over Sanger West. Felipe Alcala led the Riders to a victory by scoring an amazing hat trick with an amazing assist by Isidro Lomeli and Jesus Leon. It was great to see so much support in the stands by students, staff, and families. The noise and energy were through the roof, and it was very exciting. This will definitely go down in Rough Rider history as an incredible season, and can't wait to see the players ring that victory bell. Congratulations again to our boys soccer team. Back to you at the desk.
We are really proud of our Roosevelt athletes for their amazing work.
We are starting a new segment here on TeddyTV called Teacher Feature, where we highlight a teacher here on campus and to recognize their hard work and for you to get to know them.
This week, we are recognizing Ms. Rulas, who teaches U.S. history, race and social justice, ethnic studies, and even run the culinary club.
Let's cut to the interview and get to know her.
Hi, my friends. Welcome back to another TeddyTV episode. Today we are doing Teacher Feature. I'm here with Ms. Rulas. Today we're going to ask you some questions. What inspired you to teach?
Hi, yes. I've always wanted to become a teacher since I was 7. I had fantastic teachers and that went above and beyond for me, so I just knew there was something very important to me that I loved and wanted to emulate them and looked up to them, so that's why I wanted to become a teacher.
That's cool to hear. Another question is, what do you do on campus, and what do you get involved on campus basically?
Yes, so over the years I've been very much involved on campus. I was an advisor for leadership, so planning prom, planning winter formal, and then I'm also part of clubs, the culinary club, Pathways, public service pathway, Ujima, BIPOC, and so just being involved is very important to me because it allows me to get to know students outside the classroom on a more personal level, so I just love being involved.
That's great to hear. And who or what shaped you to be who you are today?
A lot of my struggles have shaped me to become who I am. I grew up not too far away from here. I went to Tippity Middle School, and just knowing that this is the community I grew up in and this is the community that I now serve really shapes me and really refines my skills to remind myself that this is where I'm from, this is my community, and that everything I do, is to give back to the students here.
That's cool. And if you could give one piece of advice to your past self, what would it be?
Don't be so shy, don't be so timid, and there's going to be naysayers, there's going to be haters, and just ignore them and just keep going on, and don't let, the very few negative comments, overwhelm you and focus more on the positive and what people are saying, all the good things that people are saying about you.
What an amazing teacher. Her students are fortunate to have her as a guidance.
That's all for this week's episode of TeddyTV.
We hope you guys have a good week, and we will see you next time.
As always,
Go Riders.
Go Riders.